Right now, as you watch this video, Windows is likely moving your private data onto Microsoft servers. Your personal photos, work documents, even your desktop, it's all being pushed to the cloud. And usually, it happens without you ever clicking yes. The real problem? Windows enables this by default. Most users have no clue their files are being mirrored online. Now, listen closely, because I'm about to save you from a massive headache. Your first thought is probably to just uninstall OneDrive and be done with it. Do not do that. Here is the trap. Microsoft has baked OneDrive into the core Windows update system. If you simply delete the app, the next time Windows updates, it will quietly reinstall it. You'll be right back where you started, with the same sync issues and the same privacy concerns. It's a loop that never ends. Today, we're doing something better. We are going to neuter OneDrive. We'll leave it installed so Windows thinks the job is done, but we will strip away its permissions until it's completely dead. No syncing, no auto-launching, and no touching your files. But first, and this is the part other tutorials miss, we have to perform a critical safety check so you don't lose your data. OneDrive uses a feature called Files on Demand. This means some files might look like they are on your computer, but they are actually just ghost icons stored in the cloud. If you disconnect now, those files vanish. Step 1. The Safety Sync. Click that little cloud icon in your taskbar. If it's hidden, click the arrow to find it. Open Settings, go to Sync and Backup, then click Advanced Settings. Look for Files on Demand and select Download All Files. You'll see blue arrows on the icon, wait for them to finish. Once they stop, every single file is physically on your hard drive. Step 2. Cutting the cord. Now we stop the upload. Open Settings again, go to Sync and Backup, and click Manage Backup. You'll see Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. These are the three main targets. Turn all of them off. For each one, click Stop Backup. Choose the option to keep files on your PC and confirm. Step 3. Unlinking the account. Even with sync off, OneDrive is still phoning home to your Microsoft account. Let's kill that connection. In the Account tab of the OneDrive settings, click Unlink this PC. You'll see a warning about online files since we did our safety check-in. Step 1. You can safely ignore this. Click Unlink Account. Step 4. The final lockdown. We've cut the cord, but Microsoft still tries to start the engine every time you boot up. We need to block the back doors. First, right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab. Find Microsoft OneDrive, right-click it, and hit Disable. Now it won't load when you turn on your PC, but there's one more hidden layer. Press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and open it. Search for Schedule and click on Schedule Tasks. In the Task Scheduler library, look for a folder named OneDrive. Inside, you'll find tasks like Reporting, Standalone Update, and Startup. These are the silent triggers Microsoft uses to wake OneDrive up in the background. Right-click every single one of them and select Disable. The back door is now locked. Finally, right-click the cloud icon one last time and select Quit OneDrive. Go ahead and restart your computer. When you log back in, you'll notice something beautiful. No cloud icon, no background lag, and no more unrequested uploads. Your files are exactly where they belong on your computer, under your control. OneDrive is still there, but it's a ghost. It won't bother you, and more importantly, Windows won't try to fix it by reinstalling it. If this helped you take back control of your PC, give the video a like so others can find it before their data gets sucked into the cloud. If you want to see the other tracking settings Microsoft hides in Windows 11, click the next video on your screen. I'll see you there.